Here's all the comforters for sale. Got like the emoji one here. Hula Couture. This one's made by Lush Decor. Sadie. Some Eddie Bauer ones. Like quilted ones. Comforters. Got Woolrich here. Madison Park. Got this. This one's pretty funky. That's actually printed on it. It looks like it's knitted, but it's actually just like a print or something. These fancy ones here. Fancy quilted ones there. All these ones are pretty fancy. So, just thought I'd make a video to show you a lot of them. There's I don't even know, I think 18 or 19 pieces in there. So all these are up for sale, ranging in price. If you see one you like, check my other ads. If it's still there, then it's available. Thanks for your time, guys. Have a good night.